Hi guys, we are looking for Forex traders just like you to take part in our educational challenge. You can earn while you learn. The goal, the purpose of this educational challenge is for you to become a pro trader and trade capital of up to $500,000. You will be given access to a bespoke indicator that has been developed by expert traders over many years. This indicator makes it easy to identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. So, if you think you've got what it takes to complete this challenge, then click on the link below. Good morning traders, how are you? I hope you're well. I am back from holiday, back from Thailand, and I am back in the sandpit now, back in Dubai, guys. All right, so yeah, let's get refocused. Guys, as always, in today's vid, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're also going to look at today's trade ideas, and we're going to look at the important news as well. So let's not mess around. Let's look back at yesterday's trades. And there were two potential trades from yesterday. The first one was this, guys. It was Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. And as you can see, guys, we were looking to short this pair. Why were we looking to short it? Well, let me tell you. So structurally, guys, we have been in a downtrend. Okay, you don't have to be Warren Buffett to see that is in a downtrend. Yeah, we're getting lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay, so structurally, that's what we were looking at. If we then zoom in, guys, to the candles, we also had this super bearish candle. Yeah, very bearish. It doesn't get much more bearish than this. There's no bottom wick, full-bodied bearish candle. And what I also like about it is it broke these lows here. All right, so that tells me it's a continuation of a downtrend. And then sure enough, guys, yeah, it carried on down. Okay, so we've still got this psychological target of 5,900. Okay, so that's still our target, and price is coming down nicely. So that's what we were looking to do, short this pair. If we now go to the H1, because this is always my entry time frame, guys. Okay, yeah, and it was a tricky one to enter. So this is the H1, and ideally what I wanted to see was a retrace up to this grey zone, testing this level, and then it starts to push back down. Obviously, you can see that didn't happen. You have eyes. You can see that didn't happen. So what candles could we have gotten in on? So, yeah, there are a few candles. I mean, this candle is bearish. Yeah, this candle is bearish. This candle, yeah, all of these candles, this candle. Okay, so all of these candles tell me sellers have taken control of the market. All right, but the question here is, if you enter these, where do you put your stop? And I would probably put my stop above the moving average 20 as it comes down. Okay, because it's not clear as to what is the last H1 swing high. Yeah, this is realistically up here. Yeah, this is the last H1 swing high, but it wouldn't make sense as a trade. So it was a tricky trade to enter for those reasons. We had the candles, but where could we realistically put the stop? But yeah, maybe you guys entered on these candles and you're still coming down. Yeah, so I know Greg, shout out to Greg on my mentorship program. I know you took this trade short. So yeah, coming down nicely, guys. Let's see how it finishes today. Next one from yesterday was this, guys. It was euro against the Canadian dollar. All right, so let's start with the day chart. And what were we seeing? Okay, so on the day chart, guys, we had a break of structure, really. At this point, we thought potentially price could be using this grey zone as a level to potentially come lower. Yeah, but it never broke these lows. Okay, it never broke these lows. Instead, price pushed off from this level yeah, and broke these highs. This candle here, yeah, broke these highs. Therefore, we have higher highs and we're in an uptrend. All right, and then we were just trying to buy from this candle, potentially back up to this psychological level of 1,500. And there's also some weekly resistance in here as well. Again, the trade was good. Yeah, the idea was good. Price come up nicely. But let's see if we could get in on this pair on the H1. So remember, guys, my day chart, my weekly and the day chart, give me my bias for that day. Am I looking to long this pair? Am I looking to short this pair? Or am I just staying out of this pair? Once I have a bias, I then drop down to the lower time frames like H4, H1 to determine where I can enter this pair. So what was I looking for, guys, on the H1? As we know, guys, I was looking for like a bit of a retrace back to this level before we come back up. Okay, so that didn't happen. Okay, but we did get a push off the moving average 20 here. So sometimes we can use the moving average 20. This is what this gray line is. We can use it as dynamic support. Yeah, price can bounce off of this level, or we can use it as dynamic resistance. Yeah, price can come down off this level. So yeah, we did get this potential as a setup. Okay, I like this candle. It's come down, it's come off our moving average 20. There is a bit of support here. Okay, and then we get this green bullish candle. I thought this would be a very good entry. Yeah, we enter here, put our stop below here, and then look to take price back up. Okay, so that's where I would have entered this pair. We also have this candle. Yeah, okay, again, this tells us we're carrying on up as well. So again, guys, let me know how you traded this pair. Which candlestick did you get on? Did you make some profit? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. But yeah, those were the two trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, smash the like button. We'd love to have you. Come join us. Thank you. Merci. Dankeschön. Gracias. Right, guys, we're going to look at today's trades now for Tuesday, the 25th of April. Before I do, just a few announcements, guys. If you haven't joined our Discord channel yet, come join it. Loads of cool stuff on there, trade ideas, knowledge, chit chat, and we've also got VIP Discord now where you have access to me throughout the trading day. So check that out. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the information for the mentorship program. Thirdly, guys, we now have YouTube mentorship. So if you would like to support the channel, then you could become a member of Simply Forex, guys. So check that out as well. And lastly, guys, we're going to do a live stream. All right. So 4 p.m. GMT on Wednesday. Yeah. Just before the New York Open. So 4 p.m. London GMT. We're going to do a live stream on Wednesday, tomorrow. All right. So come join us for that as well. Okay, guys. So yeah, they're the announcements. Let's get on with today's trade ideas. So first of all, I'm looking at this still, Euro Canadian dollar. Yeah, it was a trade idea from yesterday and it's still a trade idea. Because if we look at the day chart, yeah, it's clearly in an uptrend. Okay. Yeah, we broke these highs here. Yeah. Once we broke these highs, we was in a uptrend. We had this candle, yeah, that broke those highs, followed by yesterday's candle as well, equally bullish. Okay, so the idea is still to take price back up to this psychological level of 15,000. Okay, guys, so that's the idea, to keep buying Euro Canadian dollar. If we drop down to the H1 chart, where can we enter? Well, just looking at the H1 chart, yeah, we haven't had much retracement here, have we? Yeah, it's been difficult to get in on. Okay, so we're going to continue this theme. We're not going to give it you may not have a chance to get in on a retrace. So what could happen, guys? Price could retrace back down to this level here and the moving average 20 as this moves up. All right. And then if we get a bullish reaction here, I will take this trade back up to that higher time frame target. Okay. If that doesn't happen, we could trade the first bullish candle. Yeah, let's say this candle finishes like this and we get a strong bullish candle. We could enter here, put our stop below here, and take price up, because those daily candles are so bullish, guys. We may not get a retrace, so we can be maybe a bit more aggressive with this trade. So first bullish H1 candle we see, or we get a retrace to here, and then we take price from here. All right, but Euro Canadian dollar, we are looking to buy this still. We are also looking to buy pound Canadian dollar. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit of Canadian dollar weakness. If we drop down to the day chart, we can see that we have now broken these last highs here. This was a good weekly resistance level. Price kept hitting this. Coming back down. It become a bit of a range, guys. It was ranging from here to here until it broke. This candle, yesterday's candle, broke these highs. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see, yesterday's candle, and it's a bullish candle, guys, but it broke these highs and out of that weekly support. If I zoom out a bit now, my target is going to be this next psychological level, this 17,000. All right, so I'm just looking to take price back up to this blue line here. All right, guys. So that's the idea. My bias is to buy this pair for all of those reasons. As a trader, guys, you need reasons to enter a trade. Those are my reasons. I'm in an uptrend. We've broken highs. We have a bullish candle, and we have room to move into. Okay, so for all of those reasons, I'm happy to buy pound Canadian dollar. You need reasons to enter a trade. If you haven't got reasons and you enter a trade, there will be big punishment. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I will think of some punishment. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on a day chart. If we look at the H1 now, again, it's very bullish. So how much will it retrace? Okay, so first of all, price could retrace into this grey zone. This last H1 low and the moving average 20. Okay, but at this level, I must see a bullish reaction. Okay, when I say bullish reaction, guys, I'm looking for a H1 bullish candle or even a H4 bullish candle, coupled with an M15 structure break. If I get all of those things, I would look to enter. Okay, if we get them, I will enter this trade. I usually close 80% of my trade when I get a risk to reward of 1:1. Okay, and then I let 20% run, guys, forever. Okay, so we could do that, or price could retrace back down to this grey zone, guys, where we've seen price react in here. Okay, and again, I just want to see a bullish reaction. If we get it, I will take price back up to this high, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. All right, so we're seeing a bit of Canadian dollar weakness there. Euro Canadian dollar, pound Canadian dollar. We're looking to buy these pairs. And guys, if you're enjoying my analysis, would like my trade ideas every day, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, smash the like button, join the Discord as well, guys. We give you all of these videos on there as well. So they're my two trade ideas, guys, but I'm also looking at a couple of other things today. So I'm also looking at Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Where are you? Why am I looking at this pair? Because if we go on the weekly chart, we are literally at these last weekly highs. I mean, if I went to the monthly chart, it's arguably a monthly high up here, and we are at that price. Okay, so And on the day chart, well, let's stick to the weekly chart. Yeah, weekly chart. So we're at weekly, even monthly highs, guys. So what do I want to see? If we drop down to the H1 now, all I'd be looking for, guys, yeah, this is the H1, is a breakdown in structure. Yeah, so currently on the H1, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, but interestingly, it's not making higher highs as we speak. Yeah, these highs are currently holding. We will see. If they don't hold, maybe it has more room to the upside. But if price starts breaking down and breaking this level here, let's say it does this for a little bit and then it breaks. If it breaks these lows through here, guys, I'm interested in shorting this pair just because it's at weekly highs. Okay, so Swiss franc, Japanese yen, if we get this breakdown, we can short it. It's the same with euro yen. Obviously, Swiss franc yen, euro yen are highly correlated. Yeah, it's pretty much the same trade. But if we go to weekly levels, yeah, you can see this weekly level here. Price is literally at this weekly level. Again, what do I want to see? I want to see a H1 breakdown. Okay, so currently, yeah, we're in a H1 uptrend, okay, and we're making higher highs. But if these lows through here break, then I'll be interested in this trade. Yeah, let's say it does this, we get a break, retest. I would look to short this pair from here. You know, potentially back down to here, leave some money to run. All right, so euro yen as well at a very important weekly level. And one more pair as well, pound New Zealand dollar is also at a very important weekly level. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, and as you can see, guys, this weekly level here, price is at this level. Admittedly, this is a very strong weekly candle. Okay, so we need to be aware of that. But if we go down to the day chart now, yeah, potentially we've had some sellers creep in. Yeah, with this bearish candle, I think we could potentially take price back down to at least this last area of support here. But again, all I'm looking for, guys, is a breakdown in structure. So if I was to put a grey zone through here, you can clearly see price has reacted here several times. So price has reacted through here on the H1. What I want to see is a breakdown. Yeah, not a mental breakdown, although trading could give you a mental breakdown. I want to see a structure breakdown. If we get a break, maybe a retest, we can start shorting from here, guys, as well. So, yeah, lots of things we're looking at today, guys. Yeah, so we've got some pairs at weekly levels that, you know, price could come tumbling down from. And we're also seeing a bit of Canadian dollar weakness as well. And if you've enjoyed my analysis, come join us. Join the channel, join Discord, join the mentorship program. What else can you join? YouTube membership, guys, as well. Right, guys, so there's all the trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 25th of April, guys. So happy Anzac Day to Australia and New Zealand. Enjoy your day off. And then after that, guys, what are we looking at? So the first piece of news we're interested in is this. At 2:30 London GMT, we've got building permits coming out of the US. So this could move any US dollar pair. And then 30 minutes later at 3 o'clock, we've got consumer confidence and new home sales. So we've got three-star ratings in a short period of time. So this could really move the US dollar, make it volatile during this time, guys. All right. So must be aware of that. But then after that, guys, no other news to speak of. So, yeah, not a busy news day today, guys, so you are free to trade. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, subscribe, like, share, tell your friends, tell your parents, tell everyone. I hope you have a great trading day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget the live stream. See you later, guys.